Hi, I'm Georgia and I'm here to talk to you today about my experience with Reno Trades, who I had come in to do a full transformation of my home. The experience of renovating can always be daunting. It can be a long process and it can be a difficult process, but it was definitely made much more enjoyable through working with the Reno Trades guys. The results really speak for themselves. It's absolutely gorgeous and it was exactly what I wanted. Sam, who I worked with throughout the project, made everything very clear. He talked through any questions that I had. And then Gaz, my site manager, was just fantastic. We laughed through most of the process and it was much more enjoyable than I thought it was going to be. I chose Reno Trades because, one, I really connected quite well with Sam when he came to meet with me. I had a number of other people come and quote, and they were also, really great people and businesses, but I just felt that Sam understood what it was that I wanted to achieve, and importantly, Sam was going to be able to take over the whole project and manage it for me because I actually wasn't living in Melbourne at the time. The advice I would say is make sure that you're comfortable with the people who you choose, because you're going to be spending a lot of time together and you need to make sure that they're comfortable in explaining things to you in a way that you understand. I've undertaken a couple of renovations now and I thought I knew a lot more than I did, and so having people who are happy to take the time and be really patient to explain what needs to happen made it a much more enjoyable process for me. I think make sure that you have quite a clear idea of what it is that you want, because if you don't know what you want, then it's very hard for people to then translate that into your vision, whatever that you might want to have the end result look like. For me, it turned out exactly the way that I wanted, in some instances even better because of the input from Sam and the team. So thank you, Reno Trades. You've made my home exactly the way I wanted it and it's beautiful and we're already enjoying it.